in the absence of noise, I felt it, an unmistakable itch, an overbearing fire scorching through me, telling me to do something, to create. Recently, it's been burning brighter, so I've been creating a lot more than I normally do. This really made me realize what I had been missing. Sitting in silence, being with myself, it really opened me up to understand more of what I want to do in my life. Create. Create and create. I just want to create. Because when I'm creating, it's all I'm focused on. All I see is what's in front of me, and I distance myself from the world a little bit. I get lost as I watch the paint stain the blank canvas. My paintbrush mixed swirls of vibrant colors in the clear water. The first instant is dipped in. The alluring finished product igniting the flickering flames of the echoes and shouts inside me to create even higher. Creativity takes over, holds your mind captive by this strong pull like gravity. This is when I feel the most relaxed. This is when I feel the most alive. Doing what I love to do is what we all need to do. Find that something that lights your soul on fire. Stay in the quiet, enjoy your own company, free your mind, and you'll hear it too. It may be a distant whisper at first, and you may question whether you heard it at all, but don't quit. Before long, it will become a full-blown scream thrashing inside you, looking for an outlet. You don't need to have found your passion to let it out. Just grab whatever's nearby and let your hands do the work for you. A camera, a pencil, a guitar, a notebook, whatever calls to you. Begin, and the rest will flow naturally. Create. In the end, it may not look like a masterpiece, and that's okay. I still have a lot to learn about watercolor painting myself, if you can't tell from this video. The painting is actually only my second sky watercolor piece. I want to be able to blend the colors better, quicker. I know I'll get there eventually. So will you. We are all born creative. In the midst of growing up, people seem to forget, and some of their creativity gets lost in the fog of life. They put it aside, reminding themselves they'll do it tomorrow, again and again until it's shoved into the back of their mind, stored there for years to come. Or maybe it's society, those who have detached from their own artistic touch because of what others have said to them. Society, trying to convince us there are cooler things to do than watch colors bleed onto a white slate. What these people of your community don't realize is that they create too. They just don't seem to notice it. Take people at school, for example. Some say they're not good at art, yet music is their best subject. Others say they don't have great ideas, but come up with such unique photo shoots and edits. If this is you, stop telling yourself you're not creative. You are, and you always have been. So if you want to do something, no matter how much skill you possess, go do it. Because on this planet made of rocks and space, painted with shaded spots of green and blue, we burn to create. We crave it. This planet is art. We are art. It is in our blood. Creating. It is what we were born to do. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, my first art video, and if you have any requests, please comment them below, as well as subscribe and hit that like button. The photographer of this photo I was inspired by is linked below, as well as the model. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some inspiration and will go create today, even if it's only a drawing with some scribbles. Bye guys!
You are the kingdom. Don't